Alright, I got the differential and the torque tube assembly here getting ready to paint. It's been sandblasted and everything, and then I went over it with a wire wheel with my grinder to smooth out the roughness of the sandblaster. You know, this isn't going to be a show piece or anything. It's basically going to be primed, and we're going to put some semi-gloss black on it. The differential cover I'm going to do separately, but that'll keep the paint out of the differential. But it almost looks like it's been plated of some kind, but that's just what the look that the wire wheel gives it. And other than that, hopefully by next weekend I can have this thing painted. I got a new paint gun coming, an HVLP, and I got some epoxy finish paint coming too, so hopefully we'll get that done by the weekend. Okay, it's Saturday the 14th, February. It's about 10 o'clock. I just got finished spraying the DP90 epoxy primer from PPG. I gave it basically 2 coats. It's been drying now for almost an hour. I'm going to wait probably another 20 minutes, and I'm going to apply the 2K ceramic satin black from Eastwood. I've never used it before. It's an epoxy type catalyst paint, so we're going to see how it works. Obviously this is nicer than what the factory ever dreamed of. It's not perfect. I didn't put any Bondo on the differential, but it was sandblasted, and then it was wire brushed to knock down the roughness. It was cleaned with pre-cleaner, and basically we threw some primer on it, so that's going to be the next step. Now I do have this differential upside down because this is basically what's going to be visible, so I'm more concerned about the bottom than I am the top, so that's why it's upside down. Okay, I just about an hour and a half ago I applied the 2K ceramic epoxy finish paint. It doesn't look a whole lot different because both paints are black and they're both semi-gloss when dry. But this is the final coat. It came out real good. The only complaint I have is that it flashes off so quickly. Very difficult to get a smooth final coat without getting little fuzzies here and there, because we're talking about it flashing off in approximately 20-30 seconds. So once I got all the nooks and crannies done in the first coat, I went over a heavy quick second coat so it would lay down nice, so you'd get that nice semi-gloss kind of a sheen to it. And of course, once again, this is the bottom. I've got it upside down because that's what you're going to see. You're not going to see the top part. Although I think the top part is just as nice as the bottom. It's a little hard to see when you're painting up, but it doesn't look bad. The shop, my exhaust fan and filter did a good job. I got a little bit of powder dust on the floor, and you can see some on the plastic. But with the HVLP gun, I think it cuts it back about 60% of overspray. So all in all, came out good. We'll see how durable it is after a couple of years of driving.